How much should you actually spend on a cooling towel? Because there are options that are super cheap but might disappoint you, and pricier ones that don't live up to the hype. It's a bit puzzling, but I promise I'm here to clear that up for you.
Product number 1, Kodono Cooling Towel Pack. We have the Kodono Cooling Towel Pack. Priced at just $7.99, this pack comes with 4 colorful towels: light blue, green, pink, and gray. If you want a budget-friendly option that keeps you cool during workouts or outdoor activities, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Kodono towels are made of microfiber, which means they wick moisture away and cool you down through evaporation. You simply soak it in water, wring it out, and shake it to activate the cooling effect. It can stay chilly for up to 3 hours, making it great for everything from exercise to hot flashes. And with over 6,000 units sold just last month, it's clear that people are loving this towel. Now, some people complained that the towels can be a bit thin, which might not provide as much cooling as some thicker options. Here's the thing though, this lightweight design makes them super portable, so you can easily take them anywhere without feeling weighed down. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable way to stay cool during summer workouts. Skip this one if you prefer a thicker towel that offers more cooling, but for the price, it's a solid choice.
Product number 2, Sookeen Cooling Towels 4-pack. Let's talk about the Sookeen Cooling Towels, which are priced at $11.12. This set also includes 4 towels in various colors: blue, gray, royal blue, and black. If you want something that balances cost with performance, this one could be your go-to. What's great about these towels is the hyper-evaporative mesh material. It draws sweat away from your skin and keeps you cool, just like the Kodono. You can expect up to 3 hours of cooling relief, and they're also chemical-free, making them safe for everyone, even pets. With over 3,000 units sold last month, it's clear they're a hit. However, a few reviews mention that the cooling effect diminishes when heavily soiled with salt from sweat. Here's my perspective. If you're using them for intense workouts, just rinse them out occasionally to keep that cooling effect strong. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable cooling towel that's easy to activate and use during sports. Skip this one if you need something that can handle extreme conditions without losing effectiveness.
Product number 3, Sookeen Premium Cooling Towels. We have another option from Sookeen, but this one is priced higher at $17.99. It offers the same great set of 4 towels, but comes in a different color palette: blue, gray, green, and pink. If you're seeking a slightly upgraded version, this may be worth considering. Like the previous Sookeen model, this towel utilizes that same awesome hyper-evaporative mesh. The unique feature here is the improved fabric quality, which enhances the cooling effect while still being easy to activate. Users are reporting similar cooling times, and with 2,000 sold recently, it's clear people appreciate the upgrade. That said, some users have pointed out that the price increase seems a bit steep for what feels like similar performance. Honestly, it might not be a deal breaker if you're happy with the original Sookeen towels. If you want something that feels a bit more premium, then go for this. This is perfect for you if you want a slightly better fabric and are willing to pay a bit more. Skip this one if you're already satisfied with the cheaper version. Product number 4, Frog Togs Chili Pad, priced at $15.14. This towel measures at 33 by 13 inches and comes in a stylish sky blue. If you're looking for a towel that provides cooling relief and sun protection, this is a solid contender. What sets this towel apart is Frog Tog's exclusive hyper-evaporative material. It can cool up to 30 degrees from the ambient temperature, which is impressive. It absorbs up to 8 times its weight in water, providing long-lasting relief during physical activities. Given that over 2,000 have sold recently, people are clearly finding value in it. However, some users have mentioned that it can feel damp even when dry, which might be off-putting. But here's the thing. This moisture is what helps provide that cooling effect, so as long as you're using it correctly, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a cooling towel that excels in outdoor settings. Skip this one if you prefer a towel that stays completely dry after use. Product number 5, Seasite Cooling Towels. Let's check out the Seasite Cooling Towels, priced at $13.99 for a pack of 4. These towels are 47 inches long, giving you ample coverage for your neck and face. If you want a longer towel for maximum cooling, this one's worth a look.
The high-quality microfiber material is breathable and lightweight, which is perfect for all types of summer activities. The hyper-evaporative mesh is a standout feature, allowing you to soak it, wring it out, and shake it to activate the cooling effect that lasts several hours, depending on conditions. With 2,000 sold last month, it's a popular choice. Some users noted that the additional length might make them bulkier to carry around. Here's my take. If you prioritize coverage over portability, this trade-off might be worth it. This is perfect for you if you're engaging in outdoor activities and need a longer towel. Skip this one if you prefer something compact and easy to store.
If you're on a budget, the Cadeno towels are a fantastic option. The Sukeen models offer great cooling, with the premium version providing a slight upgrade. The Frog Togs Chili Pod is excellent for those outdoors, and the Seasite towels are perfect if you need a longer option. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that fits your needs best.